I was just scrolling TikTok and I saw a creator and they were talking about a dental journey that they're getting ready to go on. And she was talking about how her natural teeth, she's not happy with how they look. She has some crooked teeth and she has some discolored front teeth, and she just really hates how her teeth look. And her husband was getting all on four, all on six. And she went to that appointment with her spouse and said that she asked them about doing all on four for herself. And at first, they were, talking about that and discussing that. And then after she got x-rays, they came back and said, that's really not a great idea for you. Your natural teeth they're bad, but they can be saved. They can do some orthodontia on the lowers and straighten those out. And then, she had some discoloration that she didn't like from an injury when she was a kid. And they said that they could do maybe veneers or crowns, and that she did have some teeth that needed to be extracted, but that she had really good bone and that she really shouldn't have her teeth extracted and have all on four implants done. And she was really upset about that and really, kind of brokenhearted to hear that because she wants a perfect smile. So she was seeking, feedback from people who had gone through that. Well, I haven't gone through that, but I'm a denturist. I make dentures. And so I'm going to tag her in this. When you have natural teeth, there is nothing that is ever going to match that, ever, even implants. Natural teeth are a part of your body. They are biologically connected to all of your systems. And the nerves supply, all of the feeling with your natural teeth. Once you have those natural teeth extracted, the bone changes, everything changes. You don't have innervation to those teeth anymore. And yes, I love the all on four technology. I love that when there are no other options. I make dentures for a living. I love dentures when there are no other options. But believe it or not, I talk a lot of people out of having their teeth extracted all the time. I I just cannot stress enough that if you have an option to save your natural teeth, you always should. And sometimes that's not an option. Sometimes it's not financially feasible. Sometimes you just don't have the resources to do that. And I get that. That's not what I'm saying, that everybody just needs to save their teeth and not pull their teeth and, when they can't afford it. I'm not saying that. I'm saying if you have the resources to save your natural teeth, you should absolutely do that. This content creator, she said she's 39 years old. You know, People always want to say, life is short, life is short. Yeah, it is. But in the best of circumstances, life is long. And at age 39, you have a whole life, hopefully, ahead of you. And with your natural teeth, that is something that you can count on and manage and do your best with until you can't anymore. But implants, they're not always successful. So let's talk about that. If you were to have all of your teeth extracted and have implants put in your jaws, then what if something happened? When they put those implants in, they almost always have to shave the bone. They have to, you had mentioned that you had a really big bone and strong bone. I can almost guarantee you that they're going to have to shave and shape that bone to place those implants there. And once your teeth are gone, they're gone. And what if those implants fail? It happens. So, and being 39 years old, you have more of a chance for those to fail, because you have so many years out ahead of you. So, what happens if and when they fail? Now, if you can't get implants down the road, or that becomes financially not feasible for you, I don't know what the circumstances are, but what are you going to do if those fail and you can't replace them? Now you have no teeth, and it's going to be really hard to wear dentures when you've had your bone shaved down. And once the teeth are extracted, the bone starts to resorb and shrink. Implants help with that. They provide structure for your bone cells to remodel around and hold that structure. But if those implants are gone, that bone is going to go away and shrink and shrink and shrink. I have my natural teeth, and I have battled dental issues my entire life. I did not take good care of my teeth when I was a kid. I did as an adult, but I was lucky enough to have dental insurance that gave me preventative care. But even then, I have crowns, I have implants, I have fillings all over, I've had crown lengthening procedures. I will pull out all the stops to keep my natural teeth for as long as that's possible and feasible for me because I know what the consequences are. Dentures are hard to wear, even in the best of circumstances, and implants don't always last forever. So that's my take on it. Sorry, this was a long one. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Have a great day.